Yeah.
So till now, once this Kafka setup is done, you can. So how to run the Kafka, right? So I have extracted already Kafka in one of this directory, right? And you need to go to a where you have extracted the Kafka, especially you need to go to a Kafka bin, right? So inside the Kafka folder, you have a bin folder. This bin is basically we need to go, and inside the bin you will have a windows. That inside the windows you will have some commands where you have a Kafka start, Kafka stop, something like that. Start, Kafka server stop. So you will see in my scenario, it will be looks like this.
Mm.
This is the particularly you will see inside the Kafka where I have extended inside the bin and windows.
Okay.
Right. Now we need to run one particular command here.
Right.
So you will come like this. You will be able to see,
Yes.
right? The input is too long, right?
Right. Yeah.
I will say inside the Kafka, I'll just paste. Now we will run it from here
Okay.
and then from here. So we will run this. So what I will do, cd. Still it is saying that
Mm.
the path, the syntax command is to copy and I will move it into directly outside of this. Now what I will do here, now bin windows cmd. Now I will again run. However, we need to pass just one properties, dot properties also, right? So because sometimes this path from which this you are running that command, right? It creates a
Mm.
lot of problems. Now Eclipse, I will open my Eclipse and then I will show you actually how you can run that or set up that. So it is taking time, but it's so that is what we can say. And we will import our Kafka producer and consumer both, and then we will try and complete the basic commands and basic things how we can test
Mm.
it. So this is all about particularly simple keeps workspace. Oh,
Yeah.
so it is saying java dot
No such file exception.
no such file dot config because we are running this into a from some other directory. So let's say cd dot dot cd dot dot. Now we will run that
Mm.
command like this because I guess that dot config reference is not not
Correct.
getting it because we are referring to dot config is basically
Yeah.
from
It's now static.
no, it's just started here. So we'll try to connect to Zookeeper. Zookeeper will maintain the data into data folder and we will have it something we can call as so it is running on 9092 port.
Okay.
So this is all
Yeah.
about your something we can say where you need to listen and you need to.
Yeah.
Now let's go to particularly how we can use it into a something we can say the properties or let me open my Eclipse and my Eclipse will help it to us. So launch. So till the time my Eclipse is opening here, we can also do two command prompt, which will be one will be a something you can call as a producer and one command prompt will work as a
Consumer.
consumer.
Okay.